Want to scalp with a high win rate? This is a trading strategy that you can use. Open your TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search tab, type Turtle Trade Channels Indicator. Then, select Turtle Trade Channels Indicator by Kavanas Bilgic. Next, adjust the settings for this indicator. In the Input tab, change the exit length value to 50. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers except for upper, lower, long, and short. Once done, simply click OK to save the changes. The Turtle Trade Channels indicator will be used as an entry trigger as well as a guide for placing stop losses in the market. If the Tucci indicator gives a buy signal, then that is a buy entry signal. If you enter a buy position, you can place the stop loss on the lower line. If the Tucci indicator gives a sell signal, then that is a sell entry signal. If you enter a sell position, you can place the stop loss on the upper line. However, before placing a buy or sell entry, it is best to confirm the signal first. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Have you ever felt frustrated because you entered multiple trades but still failed to make a profit? Or maybe the trading strategy you're using isn't profitable yet? Don't worry, because in this video, we will discuss a high win rate scalping strategy that can help you achieve more consistent profits in the forex, gold, or crypto markets. The scalping strategy we'll cover today is designed to capture quick market movements. Plus, it's very easy to use, making it perfect for all traders, even if you're a beginner. So, if you want to know the secrets to effective scalping, make sure to watch this video until the end, because we'll explain step by step how to use this scalping strategy. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. Now, let's add the second indicator, which we will use as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Then, select the Trend Alert indicator from this creator. Using the Trend Alert indicator is very simple, you only need to pay attention to the bar colors on the indicator. If the Trend Alert bar is green, it confirms an uptrend. If the Trend Alert bar is red, it confirms a downtrend. If no bars appear, it means there is no confirmed signal in the market. In this situation, you should not place any entries. To make things clearer, let's now discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy entry. If a buy signal appears from the Turtle Trade Channels indicator, get ready to place a buy entry. Make sure the Trend Alert indicator confirms an uptrend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss on the lower line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If a sell signal appears from the turtle trade channel's indicator, get ready to place a sell entry. Make sure the trend alert indicator confirms a downtrend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss on the upper line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If a sell signal appears from the turtle trade channel's indicator, get ready to place a sell entry. Make sure the trend alert indicator confirms a downtrend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss on the upper line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and trading psychology, because no scalping strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.